How's it? It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. These were on sale, 97 cents a pound. How can you go wrong? So I'm gonna take half of it. I'm gonna make a pineapple braised pork ribs. Let's go to it. It's super easy. And again, I just do things in terms of work prep, about 10 minutes worth of cooking. And that's all I do. Anything that takes longer than that, I don't do it. I just go out and eat because it takes too much time. And I'm doing this for my kids, so when they moved away from us, which I know they will, there'll be a way for them to still eat home cooking by watching all the videos that I put on YouTube. Hopefully they all still stay there. And I'm your Uncle Burpee Yoga. Yeah, it's kind of weird for me to have food in my channel, but it is what it is. It's YouTube. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of burpees and a lot of yoga. I show a lot of burpees on my website. I'm actually currently on 2 years burpees challenge. I just finished with my 500 burpees, 500 day. Each day for the last 500 plus days, I've done at least 100 military style burpees. So I'm going for 2 years now non-stop. And for me to fuel all that, I need food. So let's get to it. All right, I'm using a pressure cooker. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up the pork chops or the pork ribs, and then we're gonna basically sort of grill it for a little bit. All right, it's been about 5 minutes or so. I just basically turned it here and there, and that's all it is. So it's pretty much got the grilling color. I can keep it on for a little bit longer, but now I'm gonna take it off the pressure cooker, and then I'm gonna start making the sauce for it. So that's it. I mean, that's pretty much all the cooking there is. You know the rest of the drill. All right, I got rid of the pork. It's all in the bowl, ready to be put in. Put in ginger, the star anise. I'm gonna put in some oyster sauce. Hoisin sauce. You can get all those in the Chinese grocery market. Onion powder. Here you go. This is five spice powder. You can make it on your own too, but it's easier to just use powder. Because of the 5 spice consists of the star anise. It's not coming out. I don't want to get too much. About okay. Dark soy sauce. Apple cider vinegar or just vinegar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. The pineapple is juice. And just let it boil up. That's all you're gonna do. That's pretty much the basis of the sauce. After a couple minutes, it's bubbling now. So I didn't have garlic, so I got some in there. And then now I'm gonna add chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can just add water. Some of the pineapples on the bottom and some on the top. Now, why do I get these slices? Because when you can pineapples, these come from the full pineapple. When you get the pieces, those are actually post-processing. And what happened is those are the broken pineapples. They're not fit for consumption, so they grind it up to smaller pieces. And that's actually the junker pineapple. So when you get canned pineapples, you always want to get the full piece one. So now I'm gonna put in the rib, the pork. Now I'm gonna put in the rest of the pineapple on top. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed and close the cover. And that's all she wrote. That's about the extent of the cooking. I'll let the pressure cooker do the work for me. All right, it's been boiling and the pressure cooker is done. So now all we gotta do is render down that sauce until it thickens. I'm just gonna leave it like this and have it cook. I'll show you the review afterwards. It's rendering down, and that's the way we want it. And so when this is done, we can start plating it. It's almost done. Yeah, that's how it's done. Yep, the dish is done. I mean the carrots, just a garnish. Let's get it. And that's the final product. Yep. Try this. Sweet and sour. There it goes. So good. Time will tell. One more. It just fell off. And yes, I wash my hands.